good, Auto Gang? So I'm working on a Camry, putting the AC compressor in, you know, getting routed away from the road work, you know what I'm saying? They tag team and whooping my ass, bro. I can't catch up, bro. I just can't catch up. Fuck, man.
Look right here. That's what you need, bro. You need my dad.
Auto Gang, man. Look, I'm getting distracted. I can't even catch up with my car, man. They pulling off, man.
Hey, man.
More than trans out.
So in winter time, we're gonna be sliding.
Y'all see it?
That's before, watch after.
See.
Nice and clean and popping, like popcorn. I ain't gonna drive the fucking truck no more. I'm a fucking car, fucking bitch. She was like, where you going?
She bought my business.
Right in the truck, yup. Straight up, stop getting my shit.
Follow your ass, this motherfucker.
All type of shit for the LS.
Dig out. Keep coming, girl. You see more now.
Oh, yeah, it's over with. Wait, you just passed? Digga, you watching the video? We coming for your ass. You heard me.
Be lying like it ain't nothing like that shit. I for real, that. Let my daddy snatch that shit out. Put something else up in y'all. Now you can't get the hood open.
Now, hold on. Don't do me that on the channel.
Got something nice on the motor stand.
Yeah?
30,000 miles on that motherfucker. That's it. I'm putting the camera up.
That was better the first time. I gotta put my scales on. Bust this bitch all the way up. It just be so hot right now. No matter how many coats you put on it, it's gonna always make it tight. If I had a Tahoe, this bitch wouldn't have no back seat. You going on YouTube, bro?
What up, Auto Gang? You hear this man talking about he gonna get a Tahoe, he gonna take the seat out.
A rear seat to lead. Put a
That wasn't a real
seat.
Real seat delete. Lay the mattress in the back. Weak. Y'all don't listen to us. But I tell you one thing. Where that sun at? I don't know if y'all can see it in the camera, but Lord Jesus. When I say it's hot, dog, it's hot, bruh. That butt. Where would it sprint?
I don't fucking know, but I gotta get the fucking escalator out there. I ain't even putting them in that no more. I'm gonna record the thing since my YouTube like
Bro, you need to post something. Process, y'all get ready for paint. On two-tone. 307. Got parts on the way. Oh, you got that fucking, you got the little thing in it now. Got the raw pine. Now it smells like raw pine and baby fucking powder.
Royal Pine right now, man. For that person I started cooking when I was driving. Royal Pine. Bring back the old memories.
What?
What the fuck you doing over here first, nigga?
Boy, ain't not a good man. Turbo straight.
G-Body Gang. Oh, that boy got a sunroof and this shit and everything. Oh, huh?
That's a secret.
Auto Gang.
It's a secret.
To be continued. I do brake tag, mechanic work. My man handles the paint, body work. You hear me? Fucking three amigos in this bitch. Getting it happen, making it happen.
Flawless victory.
I ain't finished, come back. Get them right. We got the butt motor. Too hot.
We put strong.
That butt supercharger.
Stroke out. If you know, you know.
Woo, where we going, guys? Getting on that cam. Fire them heads. I don't think we're going the same head. I'm new.